Plant lipids, crucial component of all plant tissues, play essential roles in biological processes, including photosynthesis and oil seed engineering. Accurate lipid compositions play analysis and vital for advancing plant biology. However, lipid extraction is challenging due to enzymatic activity. Example is phospholipases that can alter lipid profiles and lead to artifacts. This study describes an optimized method to extract glycerolipids from vegetative tissues while minimizing such issues.
Materials. Solvent preparation. Chloroform, methanol, glycol acetic acid, and phosphoric acid are used for lipid isolation. Tissue preparation. Liquid nitrogen and negative 80 degrees Celsius storage ensure sample stability. Extraction. Specialized glassware and solvent-resistant tubes are utilized. Quantification. Gas chromatography with flame ionization detection or GCFID analysis fatty acid methyl ester films.
Methods 1. Preparation of solvents. Chloroform methanol mixture with acid were prepared under safety protocols. 2. Tissue. Harvesting and storage. Tissue were frozen immediately in liquid nitrogen to prevent degradation. 3. Homogenization. Frozen tissue were ground using liquid nitrogen, ensuring enzymes inactivation.
Lipids instructions, chloroform, methanol, mixtures, facilitated lipids isolations, allow lipids to partitions into the chloroform layer. 5. Quantifications. Fatty acids were derivatized to FAMEs and quantified using GC feed with an internal standard.
Results: efficient lipid interaction was achieved, minimizing degradation artifacts. GC analysis demonstrated accurate quantification of glycerolipids with internal standards, ensuring reproducibility.
Conclusions: this method effectively extracts plants' glycerolipids while mitigating enzymatic degradation and exhibition. It can be used at scale for diverse tissue types, providing a reliable tool for plant lipid analysis.